The new Skydio X10s will provide our pilots the ability to support our storm response even better than we do today. It will provide real-time data images and live streaming to their FLSs, our system incident commanders, and our regional emergency response managers so that they can see how many crews are needed to support the damage assessment and repairs out in the field.
I think there's tremendous value in using drones in an emergency response situation for utilities. With X10, it can navigate in the dark, it can navigate through adverse conditions in order to get to the right place and get the information you need.
The X10's robustness and precision in data collection would enhance ComEd's ability to conduct thorough inspections, improve maintenance protocols, and ensure service reliability. Its autonomous navigation system is ideal for complex environments, reducing pilot workload and enhancing safety.
The X10 with its anti-collision systems allows me to go into areas that are basically inaccessible or would be very hard to access. The drone allows us to see things that can't be visible from the ground. With the new X10's AI features, it's really enabled us to be able to fly at night, which opens up a whole entire world of being able to safely find an issue at night and not putting our personnel in harm's way.
The new Skydio X10 is an exciting evolution for our drone pilots. Data images captured from the X10 will help support our image analytics platform called Optelos.
The Skydio X10 has thermal capabilities, and putting it up and being able to find hot spots on objects that you just can't see with the naked eye. Any defective, cracked pieces of equipment that otherwise we would be putting a guest and sending a crew out there. Now with the thermal, we're able to see the actual device that's causing the problem.
The Skydio X10 is a tremendous step forward for ComEd's UAS program. With its advanced thermal imaging and high-resolution cameras, the X10 can conduct power line inspections and assess substation equipment efficiently, providing clear data in all lighting conditions.
One of the newest features, and a fantastic one at that with the new X10, is that it is able to now process its 3D scans or 2D scans real time, and we can view them from the controller. And being able to see it real time in the field is a valuable asset.
This is where you would just do a normal map capture using a grid.
So today we met with the Skydio team. Our pilots had the chance to test fly the new Skydio X10s. The X10s are going to provide us a lot of different capabilities for our pilots when flying. They'll have longer flight missions. We'll be able to capture better data.
X10 is going to improve resiliency by not only impacting the immediate but the downstream effects of having information at your fingertips. At the end of the day, customers expect safe, reliable, and affordable power, and X10 will enable that delivery by detecting small problems before they become big problems.